Welcome back. Let's do question 10.1.1b. A, B, and C are the three events. The probabilities of these events or any combination of them occurring is given in the Venn diagram below. This is event A, B, and C. We managed to calculate Y. We found that Y is 0,107. If it is given that the probability that at least one of the events will occur is 0,893, calculate the value of X, the probability that all the three events will occur. So we discussed this in the previous question. We said that the probability of at least one event occurring is represented by the space in all these circles in the Venn diagram. This is A only occurring, that's at least one, because at least one means one or more. That is C occurring, that is one event. B occurring, that is one event. And then we have A and B occurring, that is two events. We have B and C occurring, that is two events. We have A and C occurring, that is two events. And then we have A and B and C occurring, that is three events. So if we want the value of X, it means that if we add all these, we'll get 0,893. So meaning that 0,05 plus 0,15 plus 0,05 plus X plus 0,1 plus 0,2 plus 0,183. All these will give us 0,893. Right, if we add these and these, we'll get 0,73 plus X is equal to 0,893. Therefore, X is equal to 0,893 minus 0,73. Then X is equal to 0,16. So this is 0,16.